Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Facebook Live here at Arizona Science Center. My name is Erin and we're actually going to be doing something pretty cool today. So we're actually going to be making a microscope that you can use at home to actually explore all the cool things around you. So for this, you are going to be needing some water, a paintbrush, a water bottle, and scissors, as well as something to explore. So I have the materials here in front of us, and then the last thing you will need is some kind of clear plastic that you can actually cut. So we had slides that you actually use for a real microscope, so I actually grabbed some slides. But if you don't have slides, all you need is something clear that you can see through and actually cut into small little pieces like this. So for the first step of making our microscope is we have a water bottle. Now what I did to make it a little bit easier is I actually drew a line with a permanent marker around the water bottle. So what you want to do is you want to cut it. So I actually made a little slit in it earlier, so it's a little bit easier to cut. So you want to cut around the water bottle on the line. There we go. So now you have this little piece. So the next thing you want to do, and I'm actually going to draw this on the water bottle to make it a little bit easier if you can see it. The next thing you want to do is you want to cut small little notches out of the water bottle so that way you can have one slide rest in it. So what this is going to look like is, I'm going to make sure my slide, now you want to actually make sure your slide will fit. So that's a little small. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So see the little line right there? So you want to cut that out, and you want to cut out two, one for each side. Okay. So you want to make this as even as possible. And you just want to cut it out. Now, if you don't have a water bottle, that's totally fine. You can do this out of a box, really anything like that. So now you have this kind of interesting little cool shape. So this is going to be the base of our microscope. So what you want to do is you want to put a little slide. Just kidding, I need to make it a little bit bigger. I did not measure properly. You know, trial and error and fix it. So, slide. It's fine. I'll get it at some point. There we go. Okay, slide. Fit it right in there. Perfect. So now, slide is actually resting. Now, these slides that I have are made of glass, and there's really nothing special about them. They don't magnify or anything like that. So that's actually where the water comes in. Because water has this really cool thing about it that it can actually refract light. So refracting means it can actually bend the light. So when you look at things through water, it can actually make things look bigger, and so you can actually see a little bit more detail. So the thing that I'm going to be looking at is actually going to be a feather. So all I have to do is just place the feather on the bottom slide. Now, of course, you guys can look at anything you want anywhere around your house. And then what you want to do is you want to take a second slide and actually just place it right on top. There we go. Now, this is where the water actually comes in and the paintbrush, because we're not actually painting anything. So you want to take your paintbrush and you just want to dip it in the water, make sure there's lots of water. And you actually just want to use the paintbrush and just kind of dab some water on the top. So now what I have is, let's see if I can lift this. So we have the cut water bottle, You have a slide with a feather on it, the slide on top, and then just a little bit of water through that. So now what I can actually do is I can actually look at the feather and observe the feather through the water, and it will actually help magnify it. So the small little pieces of feather actually look a lot bigger. Now, what's really cool about this is you can actually make this really easily at home, so you can explore the stuff all around you, which is like awesome. So if you want, you can even make a second one with the top part of your water bottle. So yeah, so this is a little microscope that you guys can actually use and make at home, so that way you can explore all the stuff around you. Definitely be careful cutting up the water bottle. For my little friends, if you want to ask an adult for help, that would be actually great, because sometimes it can be kind of hard to cut the water bottle, which is why I made a little notch in the beginning, so I wouldn't be struggling on live. Awesome. So yeah, go ahead and make some microscopes at home, and if you actually want to share it with us, you can definitely share it with us. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.